All these Bambis are seeking shelter from the rain.
No, it's too late, Ryan. You're taking too damn long. Boom, going home.
Get for your loud, douchey car.
Thanks for cleaning my windshield.
Welcome.
Are you serious?
There's a fish right there.
Oh!
That is the second time I've seen this man today.
Whoa, 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 go back, whoa.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Do you want to hear my impression of Dora the Explorer? Hola, soy Dora. Can you say gato? Oh.
Yo, what the
Do you have any idea what's inside this log? Let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow at the next Daily Internet Things.